Hi and welcome to Deepal Design Studio. So let's look at our question for today. This question is going to be a very common question in your NID, NIFT, UCEED and CEED exam. So basically two perspective views of the same solid are given below. So you don't have to consider that this is one of the solid and this is the second solid. This is the same solid which is shown from the front and the back, okay? Now you need to count the number of surfaces which are there in this solid. So the first thing which you need to remember is you don't have to jump from one surface of the solid to another surface of the another solid. Like counting 1 here, then going back here, 2, then going back here, 3. That way you are going to create a lot of confusion and end up with a wrong number. Consider one single solid. Write down the number of surfaces and consider the another solid and write down the number of surfaces and do a total and get back to your final number. So let's start with this solid over here. 1, 2, the surface on the back, 3, 4, surface below, 5, surface below, 6, 7, there'll be a surface opposite to the 4, that will be 8. And then this is a surface under that circle. So that is going to be your 9. So overall in this solid, we have 9 surfaces. Let's jump on to the another solid. 1, 2, surface below 3. This will be considered as one surface, 4, 5, 6, and the surface opposite to that, 7. This surface which is going underneath, this is a circular thing, so it will be considered as one surface, 8. And this surface is one surface. As you can see, there is no edge like that over here. So it will be considered as one surface, so 9. So overall, in both the solids, we have 9 surfaces on the first solid and 9 surfaces on the second solid. In total, you have 18 surfaces over here. So consider one solid at one time and another solid at another time. Total, you will get the number of surfaces. This is the easiest way to do it. And I hope you get the question. Thank you so much. Have a great day.